This is Mr. Purse again. So now, this is the final video. We got the cloud. We change the color by going over to Image, Adjustments, and we play with Color Balance. You can also change the color in hue and saturation, and you can do a bunch of stuff here. You can play with this. So I'm gonna open all the layers. I don't need the background layer, so if I hit the little padlock here, it's gone, and I can throw it to the garbage. There's a little garbage can at the bottom. So now that I got this, I got my move tool, I got transform controls and auto select. Auto select allows me to click a layer and select it. I want the filter to be behind the guy, so I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna drag it down. Okay, so here we go. So I got the guy, the filter, and I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna go to File. Then if you save it as Photoshop, it keeps all these layers. And this you cannot put on PowerPoint. So this is a way for you to save it. So in the future, if you need to work on this collage again, you can do so. Okay? And I recommend you saving as you go. I'm working on this project. So I'm gonna save it as Photoshop first. Okay. And now I'm gonna go to see already being saved. Now, for your collage, you need to export as JPEG. JPEG is a photo format that will show on a PowerPoint. So what you guys can do while you're doing this, all the group members can be maybe getting the photos that you need, and somebody can put this together on Photopea and then share the files or the final JPEG. I might ask you for the PSD version with the layers, like everything, to make sure, that it wasn't made by Mr. AI. I teach graphic classes and I have an AI filter, so I know if it's being done with AI, so be careful, because then I will drop you from the class for doing so. That's dishonest, and it's on the syllabus. You cannot do AI for this. So I'm gonna export as JPEG, and it's asking me some questions. College art class, format JPEG, the quality, and then to save it. And I have this little dot, so I'm gonna save it on, you can use a school OneDrive, but here I want it on this device. Okay. Ooh, someone doesn't want to let me do this. So let me save it just normal file, export as JPEG, and then here's the collage. I'm gonna save it, and now it was saved. Okay. So if you experience a lot of problems, and let's say it doesn't let you save it in the computer, the last resource you can do is just take a screenshot of your collage, like the whole image. In PCs, you can go for print screen, and if you're using an Apple, there's an app called Screenshot, and it lets you take screenshot. Would be the other thing that you can do. I'm gonna do one more thing here to see if it actually saved it on my computer or not. And I actually did. The thing said that it wasn't saving it, but here's a collage, here's a JPEG. This is what you will put on the PowerPoint. Even though it said your browser cannot perform this feature, it sure did. So you don't have to worry about it. I hope this 3-step video helped you with your collage on how to make it. If you see, it's quite easy. I put this together in, 5 minutes. So it's not too complicated. If you have questions, please ask me. Avoid pictures with these watermarks. This is so people don't steal their images. This is just for example. Nobody's making money out of this. So have fun, and if you have questions, please ask. Take care. Peace for everybody.